Hello student, welcome to today's lecture. In previous lecture, previously we saw how to define class and how to create object. Okay, and also we saw various example on classes and object. So now we are going to see how to define methods in outside class. So previously what happened, we are creating a class and we are defining method as shown in this example in within the class. Okay, now today we are going to see how to define method outside the class. Now consider this example. So in this you have to calculate volume. We have to calculate volume of box. So for calculating volume we require length, breadth and height. So we are here we created our class name is a box as shown in this box is your class name. And in public, as we know, if we want to access the variable outside class, then we have to define that variable in public. If you define in private section, then that variable is accessible within class only. Okay, so here we declare three variables for the calculating volume. Now here we are declaring, so as written here, member function declaration. Here we are declaring the member functions which we are going to use. So here first function is double and function name is get volume. So it return a double value, return type is double. Then next function is void set length, and in that we passing a one parameter that is length double len. Then second function is void set breadth, and again we are passing the one parameter to it, and again next function is the set height. So these are function declaration. So we already saw the difference between what is declaration and definition at the time of variable. So I hope you remember this. Now suppose you want to define, so in declaration one more is at the end of function you have to give a semicolon. Okay, so within the class if you declare any function, so in this you have to at the end give a semicolon. So it is called as a declaration for defining member function. So here is a definition of respective function. So first function we can say the get volume. Okay, so in this you have to first define double, then box. You have to define a class name here. So return type, then class name, then scope resolution operator two times, and then you have to write a function name. What is function name? For first get volume. Okay, and then curly bracket open. Then here we mention return length into breadth into height and curly bracket close. So here complete the definition of your get volume function. So this is the first function. Now let's define second function, that is set length. So again syntax is first you have to write a return type, then class name. So here we does not return any value. Check here, we only setting the length value. That's why here return type is void. Similarly here we are returning the length into breadth into height. So that's why here we are writing return type as a double. So uh, note down this point. If you does not return anything, then you have to write a void, and if you are returning any value, suppose as a integer double, then you have to write that return type. So here return type is void, then class name. What is class name? Class name is box, then scope resolution operator and the function name. As here return function name set length, and we are passing one parameter double len, and then you have to open a curly bracket and curly bracket close, and here we are passing the len value to length, len length equal to len. So this complete the set length function. Similarly we are performing set breadth and set height. So again the return type for the breadth, then class name, scope resolution operator 2 times, then set breadth, then parameter again breadth equal to bre. Again for the height you have to perform same procedure. So in this way we are defining the functions. Here important point is that, so you can declare function inside class and define it outside, or second option is you can declare and define your function within same class. So depend on your choice, you can go with the within the class function definition and declaration, or outside class declaration, or outside class definition for function. Now next point is a main function. Okay, so in main, as you know, for accessing this variable and function we require the object of class. So here first we created one object name is box1. You already know how to create object. So what is syntax? Syntax is class name space and object name. Here our class name is box and object name is box1. So here we created one object box1. Then for storing the volume we declare a variable volume, and next we are setting the length, breadth and height. For setting the length we are passing value box1 dot. As you know, for accessing function you have to use a dot operator. Set length, and in this circular bracket we are passing a value, length value, that is first length we are passing 6. Then box1 dot set breadth we are passing value 7, and for height we are passing value 5. So in this way we are passing value to function. Now we have to calculate the volume of box. So for volume we are writing here function get volume. So volume equal to, okay, we already define a volume variable here equal to box1 dot get volume. So here what happened, when execution come to this line, then volume equal to box1 dot get volume call is given to this function. Okay, then we already set the value of length, breadth and height using this function. So जो भी वैल्यू आपने पास की है एलियन में, ओके, सो फ्रॉम 6 हियर एलियन, that value goes to the length, again BRE value goes to the breadth, and HEI value goes to the height. Okay, now we are calculating volume. So in volume we are returning length value into breadth into height. Okay, so that value is returned, and that value is returned to volume. That value is saved in volume. Sorry for disturbance. Here this function return a value to volume, and we are printing the value present in volume. So here is your output. Volume of box 1 equal to 210. So in this program important point is only this, that how to define function outside a class. ओके, प्रीवियसली जो भी प्रोग्राम्स हमने देखे थे तो उनमें हमने क्या किया था, फंक्शन जो भी हमने डेफिनेशन की थी वो विद इन द क्लास की थी, लेकिन इस प्रोग्राम में क्या है, जो भी फंक्शन हमने डिफाइन किए वो आउटसाइड क्लास है. यहाँ पर क्लास का एंड है, सेमीकोलन. So syntax for defining function outside class is, first is return type, then class name, then scope resolution operator 2 times, and then your function name. And for declaration, return type, function name, and your parameter, and at the end you have to give a semicolon for the declaration. And in definition there is a no semicolon. So here check, there is a no semicolon at the end of function definition. So semicolon present in declaration section only. So remember this point.